Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best umbrellas that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Prostorm Vented Travel Umbrella. The auto-open and auto-close Prostorm Vented Travel Umbrella is remarkable for the money. It leaks better than the cheap models you'll find in corner stores on rainy days. That might be because it's made by DAVEK, the same company that makes high-end umbrellas, see below. The original Prostorm version 1 tested has held up well over the years, and the 2024 model makes one big improvement. It's 20% lighter at just 398 grams. Also new is a ratcheting system that lets you reset the umbrella to whatever part of the shaft you want. You don't have to bring it fully down immediately. This umbrella has a decently deep dome, meaning it's not as flat and can block rain when it decides to fall sideways. It's double vented with a 38-inch canopy that feels spacious for one person. And there is a fiberglass and steel frame with 9 ribs to support the canopy. It has functioned exceptionally well after more than a year of use. Moving on at number 4, we have the DAVEK Solo Umbrella. The DAVEK Solo is exquisite. It automatically opens and closes with the push of a button. It requires effort to slide the runner down the steel shaft to close it completely. The 37-inch diameter canopy is nearly identical to the Weatherman travel umbrella. Plus, the frame is reinforced with fiberglass with 9 ribs. The more ribs, the better in heavy winds. The handle feels nice. It has a clip and a top grain leather strap, but I wish it were a little longer. There are more interesting color options on DAVEK's website. The company offers a lifetime warranty for any repairs the umbrella might need. If you lose it, you can use the special code in the box to redeem a replacement for up to 50% off the regular price. It can only be redeemed once. The downsides? It's heavy and pricey. At number 3, we have the Hatley Girls Printed Umbrellas. Wired editor Adrienne So's kids have tested a few umbrellas, including the Weatherman Kids Umbrella and the original Duckhead. But the Hatley Kids Umbrella is their favorite. In the words of her 6-year-old, the Weatherman is hard to open and close. But the Hatley doesn't have this problem. It is smaller, has a nicer wooden handle, and features fun prints on the polyester and PVC-free canopy. You can even buy color-changing models when the canopy gets wet. Even if the Weatherman feels sturdier in the hand and is slightly bigger, with its 29-inch diameter, the Hatley is their preference. It retains its shape in stiff breezes and is held up to more than a year of being shoved into backpacks, thrown in and out of lockers and cars, and occasionally abused as a cane or a sword. At number 2, we have the ShedRain The Duo Auto Open Stick 2-Person Umbrella. The Duo is a fun and clever umbrella that's purposefully designed for 2 people. ShedRain didn't just make a larger canopy and call it a day. No, there's a trick in the handle. Push the bottom button, and a second aluminum shaft extends downward, giving you an additional 16.5 inches and a place for your umbrella partner to hold. This worked particularly well for my wife and me despite our height disparity. I'm 6'4", and she's 5'1". You can twist the bottom handle to the right to lock a specific height. And now, since both people have control over the umbrella, don't fight over the angle. Even without a second person, the umbrella has treated me well for several months. The auto-open function is smooth, and the runner glides down the steel shaft. I like the elastic wrist strap. It's easy to slide my wrist into it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Weatherman Umbrella, Golf Umbrella. Whether at a wedding, graduation, football game, or on the golf course, a nice, large umbrella is perfect for the family to huddle up under if the day is sopping wet, or can be great relief on blazing hot afternoons. My wife and I took Weatherman's golf umbrella to the beach last summer and enjoyed the shade. It's rated UPF 50+, which is what the Skin Cancer Foundation recommends to keep yourself protected from the sun's harmful rays. I have tested a few golf umbrellas now, and I like that Weatherman's model has an auto-open mechanism. This is a big, Burley umbrella, a 55-inch canopy, so an automatic open is less work. It can fit 2 to 3 people underneath, 4 if you don't mind squeezing together. It closes manually, but the runner nicely slides down the shaft. The Teflon-coated canopy dries quickly, and it's vented, allowing wind to fly through it instead of pulling you off the ground like Mary Poppins. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.